O'n i eisiau bod yn policeman, pan o'n i'n hogyn bach.
Oedd fach?
Oedd, ie.
Beth y gwyddoedd?
Ta-da!
Stop it!
So bobl?
Swn i'n licio fo'n cobar? Na.
Fel na ti do fewn I tŷ yn ystod nos, di.
Maci tad, dwi beth yn gadael ti yn nos.
What does it take to become a cop?
Oh my god.
Mae fe'n cymryd lot I fod yn cop.
Gael thick skin swn I fel, de.
O, right.
Mae'n anodd peidio rhoi clustar I ambell un.
Gwent Police's new recruits are letting the cameras follow their first months on the beat.
Rookies.
Fresh newbies.
I was working part-time in a supermarket.
Mae'n edrych o bod I dal yn ysgol, dydi? Rhi ifanc.
Yeah.
I was working in a pharmacy.
I was a postman.
Wel, mae fe'n gwybod lle mae pawb yn byw.
I was a stripper.
I was working as a waitress in a cocktail bar.
With police forces busier than ever,
This has got the potential to be worth like millions of pounds.
Millions?
Oedd TV fel, TV, ddim TV. Ti drws nesau I TV fel na.
Calm down.
it's never been tougher to be a cop.
Oh, God.
Oh, right in a Jimmy Jams.
After 6 months in the classroom, they're hitting the streets.
Dim ond 6 mis o training sydd nhw.
They've got just 12 weeks to prove they have what it takes.
Dwi'n meddwl weithiau efo'r heddlu, it only takes one bad cop to turn people against them anyway, so...
These are the rookie cops.
Lle mae'r gair rookie'n dod o?
O'n I jyst yn meddwl hwnna.
Rookie.
Mae'n sort of fel cookie.
In Cwmbran, it's the start of a night shift for rookie Alex.
Where's this printer?
Into the main printer downstairs.
Ah, okay.
Day one, learns how to use the printer.
But paperwork will have to wait, as an emergency call comes in.
Ooh, exciting.
Siwr bod y adrenaline chdi mynd yn nuts. Yn dweud oh my god.
Beth yn alda?
Rhywbeth drog ystod yn ystod nos.
We had a call saying that there's been a stabbing up in Mlaenafon.
Oh my god, fi'n cysau fydd yna.
A fi hefyd.
Mae yna gormod o stabbings bob man.
It's a full authority call, so all hands on deck and we all made our way to Mlaenafon.
Come on, guys, dim ond diwrnod un di hwn. Fatha, ease me in gently.
So maen nhw'n rhoi bywyd nhw a risg I safio bywyd o bobl eraill, dydy?
Just gad mi wybod os oes na waed.
OK.
O nes ti'n gweld...
Waed.
Paid?
Oh, sorry, practisio.
Firearms are still attended anyway because it's a stabbing.
Attend? That's not about like it's an invitation. Well, this guy's got a gun. Do you want to come?
The adrenaline's pumping going to the call like that because you don't know what to expect.
Be sy'n mynd trwy like, pen ti pan ti'n like, mynd I rhywbeth fel na?
Mae o'n edrych dda ex fi ac oedd o'n bolt.
Oedd o'n copar.
Di o fan, ie.
Yeah, I haven't been to a stabbing yet, so quite intrigued to see what's going on.
Cyntaf, mynd i'r stabbing. Ooh.
O, gaeth o ticio fo off a bucket list then, felly?
When we arrived, there was an ambulance already there, and as we were walking in the house, the firearms car turned up.
Swn nhw'n nad fa? Na, gwrs fi'n cadw gynnal.
Mae'r cliw yn yr enw, yndi? Firearms.
Oh my god.
Beth o dda?
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
So, edrych ar dy draed.
You could see the trail of blood coming from the kitchen all the way into the living room.
Dwi'n mynd i cysgu ar gwaed fyny fi sal. Hwna'n ffantastig.
You're always worried about what is in the living room where the mail was.
Oh my god.
Halloween party oedd o. Fake blood ar y llawr.
There was a bit of blood on the countertop and on the drawers. We seen the knife on the chopping board with a bit of blood.
Os a gwaed ar y onion na?
Dwi'n meddwl ma na.
Not the onions.
So we kind of quickly come to the realisation that he had cut himself.
I'm boring.
Oh. Oh.
O, dyna sydd wedi
O, am dramatic.
Turns out he's been slicing some vegetables in the kitchen and he's cut his finger.
Thank God, but 25 coppers to try.
Ooh, I'll never look at an onion the same again.
So, yeah, there's no stabbing. A lot of cops, but no stabbing.
Ych o wasr of amser nhw, nag we?
Bill am hwnna, wan.
Ydyn nhw'n gyrru Bill?
Na.
Dyla bod nhw.
Ie. Mae'n wedi gyrru Bill. Mae'r old Bill yna.